Incremental readings. So we just started Supermemo. We have been using the beginner level. So the next thing that we have already in the help menu is the user survey. And basically this opens yet again a Supermemo wiki page, but it's not the same one. If you remember, help and welcome opens this one, which is help.supermemo.org. And this is supermemopedia.com, not the same place. And basically those are options to ask for users. Kind of, you would say that, those are super long questions. You may think, it's just for expert users. But they also include questions for that the newbies could answer. What happens is that usually a newbie will classify that, they will complain about the user interface, the documentation, user unfriendliness. So there's almost unlikely that a newbie could provide any feedback that is new, more or less. I actually did this myself as some sort of example to try incremental writing, which, by the way, we will see in this course. So feel free to do this and send it. We have the past feedback, but this was done until the 2001. So it's been 2 decades that I guess they got some entries, but they don't share the results. Even though you can guess more or less what will happen. So for multiple choice questions, you have the percentage and all of that. So if you don't care, that's an option you can safely ignore for the rest of your life. That's all for now. See you incrementally.